So question A asks us to find the height of the scenic location. To do this, we must first make a table of values. We would have to use the value of 0 because a pebble is thrown at 0 seconds. Now what we must do is plug 0 into the equation provided, which gives us negative 4 0 squared plus 12 0 in brackets plus 36, which gives us 36. So therefore the scenic location is 36 meters above the river.
So for question B, it was determine the maximum height of the pebble. So for this, I must take the values of 1 over here. X must be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So and then I must plug these values into this expression right over here. So it then would be negative 4, 1 squared plus 12 in brackets 1 plus 36, which would equal 44. And then over here it will be the same, but switch 1 for the 2, which will be 2 squared plus 12 brackets 2 plus 36, which would also equal 44. And then over here we will do the same thing, just switch the 2 out for the 3, and it will be negative 4 3 squared plus 12 brackets 3 plus 36, which would just equal 36. And for this one will be negative 4 squared plus 12 4 plus 36, which would equal 20. So next, the question C was determine when the pebble lands in the river. And for this question, we must also create a table of values, and I'll be using the points 4 and 5. So for this, we must do negative 4 to the power of 2 plus 12 in brackets 4 plus 36, which is equal to 20. And then for the next one, we must also do the same. So negative 4 5 squared plus 12 in brackets 5 plus 36, which is equal to negative 4. But we know that in between this is a negative and this is a positive, so it must be in between 4 and 5. So now I will be using the point 4.5, and for this we must do negative 4.5 squared plus 12 4.5 plus 36 equals to 9. So next, now I will be using the point 4.8, which will be negative 4.8 squared plus 12 4.8 plus 36, which is equal to 1.44. So now, since it has to be lower than 1.44 and lower than 4.8, I will now be using the point 4.85. So now it will be negative 4.85 squared plus 12 4.85 plus 36 equals negative 0.49. So it has to be greater, so this number has to be greater than 4, it has to be greater than 4.85 but lower than 4.8. So now I must plug in the point 4.854 into negative 4.854 squared plus 12 4.854 plus 36, which is equal to 0.002736, and which will be rounded down to equal to 0. And therefore the pebble will land in the river at 4.854.
seconds.